Hello, hope everyone's having a good day. It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. I got something in the mail. Open this thing up. It's already kind of ripped open and cut open. Got the Concept Fenrir here. So, this came on Valentine's Day. So maybe it's a Valentine? Somebody send me a Valentine? Big Red. Do I have a secret admirer? Big Red? Oh. Thanks. This is cool. Olite North. The soil of the bold and the brave, where adventure awaits. The soil of the bold and the brave. Very cool. Let's see. Is this how you open this? My wife's playing the piano in the other room. Probably copyright music. This thing's cool. I like these little olites a lot. These are good. Oh yeah. Northwest, southeast, northwest, southeast, northwest, southeast, northwest, southeast, northwest, southeast, southeast, northwest. This is cool. Two brightness settings. I think these you can unscrew. There's a little USB charger. I really like these little keychain lights. Really handy. Just throw them on your keys and it's always there. Let's see. This little guy. We got a Kubi. What the heck is this? Look at this thing. That is cool. D2. It's a cool blade shape on there. Button lock. Button lock. Music's getting intense. Very cool. Hydra design. That's a nice blade. I like it. Actually, for a push button, it's got some detent resistance. It's not bad. A little bit of detent. This is awesome. There's the model number. So this wasn't really a Valentine, but played a little number game giveaway and got second place. He still sent me a little gift. My wife guessed the number, so maybe this should go to her. Very cool. Anyways, happy Valentine's Day. Check out Big Red EDC. Awesome knife channel. Just want to do a quick fun little video. Yeah, this thing's neat. Very interesting. Yeah. Paper. Olight Nakubi. Pretty awesome. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing. See ya.